In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add video to Instagram Notes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to check if we have the latest Instagram app version, because adding videos to an Instagram Notes is quite new feature. So guys, first off we need to head over to the App Store or Google Play if you are an Android user, and then just search for Instagram. Open up Instagram app page, and if that button says update, just tap on it and wait for a couple of minutes until you get the latest app version. After that, we can open up Instagram app, then tap right here at that button to head over to our conversations list. To create new note, tap right here where it says your note, and then to record a video note, tap right here at that camera icon. That will activate your frontal camera, and then just point your camera on your face and then long press at this button to record a short video. Down below here it says that your video will appear at the top of your inbox for 24 hours. You can tap at that trash icon to delete that video and then record new one, or we can tap at check mark. We can enter a text here and then tap at share to share this note with our friends who will visit their conversation list within 24 hours. If you haven't got this camera icon right over here, it probably means that the feature isn't available in your region yet. All you have to do in that case is just wait for some time, and eventually it will be available for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.